The time right now, 9:54. It is fall, y'all. So Patty Mastracco is here helping us break in our new kitchen. And we are highlighting the apple of our eye this morning. We're talking about the beautiful Modi apple. Patty, tell us again why we're highlighting this apple here.
So beautiful, tasty, local. They're grown on Grand Island. They are California grown, which is awesome. And they are non-GMO, which is even better. And they're just super tasty, crunchy, perfect flavor all the time, and they're available through March.
Grand Island's down in the Delta, right?
Yeah.
I mean, this is one of the things. Patty turned me on to these a couple of years back. Every time I can grab them, I'm at the store. My kids love them. You know, they have big and small versions.
Yeah.
But they're perfect, like you say.
Always
they're always
good.
crisp.
Yes.
And it's not too sweet.
No.
I mean, they're plenty sweet.
It's a perfect balance of sweet and tart. So it's not as tart as a green apple,
right,
and not as sweet as like a
Honeycrisp or something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. So what I did was I made some apple juice.
Oh, yes.
So here you go.
How do you make?
So you know what? I don't have a juicer. I just pureed it, cut it, cubed it, peeled it, cubed it, pureed it, and then ran it through a sieve.
This is so good. You could do this hot or cold, right?
Absolutely.
Like a little apple
yeah,
cider.
put a little cinnamon in it. So then I took the apple juice and I cooked it with apples and dates and made this lovely apple date spread.
You're so creative, Patty. And with that spread, you could put that on a lot of
So
different
many
things.
things. I have it on a turkey sandwich here. I have a little appetizer that has some brie and prosciutto and a little arugula. And so it's just super versatile. If you want to, you could even mix it in with butter to make an apple-y spread. Add some cinnamon if you want to make it, put it on like pancakes or French toast, but super versatile.
That apple juice is so good.
Isn't that good?
You down that, Richard? Yeah.
I was like,
I
all right, I'm
know.
not stopping. That's good.
Okay.
And then what's this here?
So this is just Greek yogurt and peanut butter and a little cinnamon.
You know what I love about you, Patty? You always give us a good, healthy, flavorful option.
Oh, yeah.
It's just easy. It's perfect for dipping apple slices. I have to ask you guys, boat or canoe?
Ooh, I'll take the little.
This is what my mom always asked. Do you want to cut in a boat or a canoe?
I'll take a canoe.
Okay, there you go. There you go. Yeah, you've got your
Oh my
canoe.
gosh.
So yeah, just a perfect, you could put it in little cups for kids to pack in their lunch. And all of these great apples are available at your favorite local Raley's, Bel Air, Save Mart, Safeway, Sprouts. They're everywhere now, so.
Modi apples, they're delicious. You can make all kinds of things with them. Patty, thanks for helping us out with some fall decor and some fall treats. These are really nice.
Yeah, all these recipes are at idofood.com.
idofood.com. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you back here later.
Closed captioning provided by Northwest.